Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So we have a new feature in Google Play Store. So if you choose your Play Store, you will see in the settings so I was just checking it and I have so many options. I actually like it. So here you can see track your playtime, and actually I was playing game, and you can track your playtime. I was playing 10 hours Call of Duty, and I was playing PUBG Mobile. I was playing a little bit Delta Force. We have 6.2 hours and in Call of Duty, 2.5 hours in PUBG Mobile, 52 minutes in Delta Force, and I was playing 14 minutes GTA, Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories, 9 minutes for Genshin Impact. So it's very cool, you must check it out, and thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.